Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a landing page in card with Mailchimp integration step by step clearly. To set up a landing page in card with Mailchimp integration, begin by logging into your card account. Click on the New button to create a new site. Choose a template that suits your vision for the landing page. Once the template loads, customize the text and images by clicking on the elements you want to edit. Make sure your messaging is clear and concise to capture visitors' attention. Next, add a form to your landing page by clicking on the Add Element button. Select Form from the drop-down menu. Position the form where you want it on the page. In the form settings, click on Add Field to include fields such as name and email. Next, you need to set up the form's action. Under Actions, select Webhooks to enable Mailchimp integration. Now, head to your Mailchimp account and create a new audience if you haven't already. Copy your audience's unique API key from the account settings in Mailchimp. Return to card and paste the API key into the webhook URL section. Ensure that you map the form fields correctly in the action settings. This step is crucial for ensuring that data from the form is sent to your Mailchimp audience. Once your form is configured, preview the landing page to check for mistakes. Make any necessary adjustments to the design or content. When satisfied with the design, click the Publish button. Choose a domain name for your landing page or use a card subdomain. After publishing, test the form by filling it out and submitting to ensure it integrates with Mailchimp. Finally, monitor your audience in Mailchimp to confirm successful signups. Your landing page is now fully set up with Mailchimp integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.